If you wish to know the meaning of a word or anything, idioms or something like that, by using Gemini, I show you the simple way from one language to another language. Just open the Gemini app. In two ways you can do that. For example, if you want to translate from Spanish to English every time, you usually want to translate the same language, you can order Gemini to save that on mind, or we can manually type every time, change this to this, something like that. So first I show you using the one language to another language. So for example, I just type desperation. I don't know the meaning. Let's say I just type like this and meaning in Spanish. Just put a comma and just type, keep that in mind every time I type something like that, and just click the send. So here you can see it stores. I will remember that for you. You can always ask me to forget things like that. So here you can see the meaning of desperation in Spanish. I just type, elaborate that every time in Spanish, send. Okay, here you can see the full definition, meaning of the word desperation in Spanish. This is the thing. You just ask Gemini to save this on your mind, and that's it. You are good to go. And if you want to know more videos about Gemini, you need to watch this playlist.